Hello, David Hall with the weekly Gold and Silver Coin Report. It is Friday, November the 2nd, 2012. We had some turmoil in the markets, and we also had some turmoil on the East Coast. Our hearts go out to all of our clients, fellow dealers, and friends that were in the eye of the storm out there on the East Coast. Hope you are safe and hopefully back to normal as soon as possible. As for the turmoil in the markets, not really turmoil, but quite a bit of activity and movement. So gold and silver were stronger early in the week, and then a little bit weaker yesterday and just collapsing today. Again, not collapsing, went down a lot, a relatively pretty big movement down. Gold, $39 today, silver, I'm sorry, $36 today, and silver, $1.34. For the week, gold finished at $1676.90, down $39 for the week. Silver at $30.89, down 78 cents for the week. But it was up earlier because it was down $1.34 today alone. So today was a down day. And so what does all this mean? Well, short term it means that gold and silver coins are cheaper if you want to buy them, and if you're holding them, they're worth a little bit less. We hope you've been involved for more than just a little while. For the long term, again, it only means that if you want to add to your position, it's much more opportune time with prices here on gold below $1,700 and silver around $30. We've kind of been playing in a trading range for gold, say $1,550 to $1,850, and in silver kind of around $30, maybe into $33, $34 territory for the last year or so. After, of course, the previous several years, we had a huge run-up in gold and silver prices as the government pumped money into the financial crisis. And so, in terms of the future, a lot of talk about the presidential elections. And, you know, Van and I are pretty apolitical. We care and we think about it, but at our age, we realize that not a lot changes in the long-term direction, regardless of who's around. So anyway, I don't want to make light of the situation. I'm going to vote. I think you should too. So if we could joke about it a little bit, you know, I guess if Romney gets elected, you should buy war bonds. And if Obama gets elected, maybe those non-confiscatable pre-1933 gold coins might be a good idea. But really, in all seriousness, and I don't mean to belittle either candidate, at least in public. Privately, you can call me and I'll tell you what I really think. But whatever happens, the printing presses are running, and the dollar is a fiat currency, and you owe it to yourself and your family to have some position in gold and silver, and you decide what that should be. We'll be glad to talk to you about it. Van and I are always very open as to what strategies we are doing personally. We both like and own gold coins, and of course we're a big fan of the rare coin market, which is unseasonably warm at the moment, and things are really popping in that market. That's a more sophisticated market, and because of that, in our opinion, a little more upside. So call us about that. We'll definitely give you literally inside information. We are market makers, and insiders in the rare coin market. And call us, of course, if you like to talk about gold and silver. We certainly have long-term opinions, and we're not going to tell you what we think the price of gold and silver is going to be tomorrow, because we don't know. And but we can tell you what we see as bullion insiders, because we're also insiders in the gold and silver market, where we think the best buys are. Right now, what we really, really like are the uncirculated $20 Liberties. They're selling for minuscule premiums. These coins were last made in 1907, and yet you still can buy them. Again, and they're uncirculated. They're MS 60, 61, even 62, kind of that grade range on a scale of 1 to 70, and that's considered uncirculated. They're called BU, brilliant uncirculated. You can buy them for like a dinky little premium over the melt value, just a little bit more than you'd buy, say, 1 ounce gold eagles for. And they are, if you are concerned about this, a confiscation hedge, as they are rare coins, numismatic items, even though right now they're selling for very, very little premium. So think about those BU $20 Liberties. Give us a call about rare coins. That market's active, and a lot of prices are starting to move. And Van certainly has some information for you, so give Van a call. In the meantime, do have fun with your coins, and by all means, buy gold.